Good morning, afternoon, Dr. Fariza and fellow classmates. This presentation is for the Advanced Quantitative Methodology course, PG8014. My research is entitled Participation Level, Interaction Willingness, Program-Related Interest, and Audience Engagement as Predictors of Television Viewing Behavior, a quantitative study submitted by Baiguibin with passport number EM 9420841 and student ID SUKV 2502353. The coursework is due on 3rd August 2026. Today, I will present the core content including introduction, literature, review, and research methodology, the foundation for subsequent empirical analysis. Chapter 1 clarifies the research background and core gaps. Over the past decade, TV viewing has evolved from fixed schedule, single-screen consumption to a cross-platform experience with social media. Nielsen and Ofcom 2023 confirmed the decline of traditional broadcast viewing, especially among young audiences, and TV viewing behavior must be a composite of frequency, duration, and attention allocation. However, existing research has three critical limitations: conceptual overlap of key terms, narrow measurement of viewing behavior, and an unexplained mediating role of audience engagement. These gaps are the core focus of this research. Based on the background and the gaps, this study proposes one central research question and four objectives guiding all research design. The central question explores two key points: the direct influence of three digital audience behaviors on TV viewing behavior, and whether audience engagement mediates these relationships. The first three objectives test the direct relationships between each independent variable and the dependent variable, while the fourth verifies the mediating effect of audience engagement, the key mechanism this study aims to explore. This slide presents the multidimensional significance of the study and core term definitions to avoid conceptual ambiguity. This research has practical value for the media industry, policymakers, the public, and national cultural development, and academic value by resolving term overlap and redefining TV viewing behavior as a composite construct. These strict definitions lay a solid foundation for the subsequent literature review and research design, ensuring no conceptual confusion in the study. Chapter 2 classifies variables and develops hypotheses based on existing literature. This study defines three variable types. DV is a composite TV viewing behavior. IVs are three digital TV-related antecedent behaviors. And MV is audience engagement as a key connecting link. 6 hypotheses are proposed. H1, H3, for the positive direct effects of IVs on DV, and H4, H6 for the mediating effect of MV. A critical distinction is that IVs are digital antecedents, not part of DV or MV, which resolves the conceptual overlap problem in previous research. The core of Chapter 2 is this conceptual framework, the theoretical basis of the entire study. The dynamic arrow structure shows the causal relationship between variables. The three digital IVs first enhance the audience's cognitive and emotional engagement, MV, which then shapes the composite TV viewing behavior, DV. This framework breaks the simple, direct relationship in existing research and clarifies the mediating mechanism of audience engagement. Only when digital behaviors lead to higher engagement can they effectively influence TV viewing frequency, duration, and attention allocation. Chapter 3 introduces the research methodology, strictly designed based on the conceptual framework and hypotheses with a quantitative approach. The cross-sectional survey design is adopted for one-time data collection to explore current audience behavior patterns. The target population is social media users with recent TV viewing experience, and non-probability convenience sampling is used with distribution across multiple online channels to improve sample diversity. A minimum sample size of 200 is set to ensure the statistical validity of regression and mediation analysis. This slide presents the instrumentation and data analysis plan. The main instrument is a structured questionnaire with a 5-point Likert scale, including 6 sections for demographics and core constructs. All items are adapted from mature literature and revised for TV context, with a pilot test to refine wording and test reliability. Data analysis will be conducted with SPSS in 6 steps: data cleaning, descriptive statistics, reliability analysis, correlation analysis, multiple regression for direct effects, and mediation analysis based on Hayes' approach for the mediating effect of audience engagement. This step-by-step plan ensures all hypotheses are fully tested and research objectives are achieved.